Today we're going to learn the song In the Meantime by Spacehog. If you like this, great. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So this song had probably the coolest bass part of the 1990s, which I can show you on another lesson. But today I'm just going to show you the guitar part, all right? So it starts out with this interesting little slide part that sounds like a phone, I think. And the way you play that is you start on the 8th fret here, you cover up the B string and the G string. And you slide them both up 1 fret here to the 9th fret. The second time around, on the 9th fret, you put your second finger down here on the 10th fret on the B string. So it goes. And there's this cool bass part going on that I'm not going to show you today. So it goes. Then it goes. And that is an D chord and an A chord and an E chord, all on the 2nd fret. To make the D chord, you put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your second finger on the E string on the 2nd fret, and your third finger is going to go on the 3rd fret on the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go to an A chord, which is going to be the 2nd fret on the B string, 2nd fret on the G string, 2nd fret on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you make an E chord with 2 fingers here. You're going to put a finger on the 2nd fret on the D string, and then your second finger on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay, so far we have okay. From there, you hit this F sharp chord. You're going to put your first finger on the 2nd fret on the E string, your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the A string, your pinky on the D string on the 4th fret. Okay. That's not what you're going to do. So you're gonna hit the A. You're gonna go. So to start this out, you're going to hit the A chord again. You're going to cover up, just take your first finger and cover up the D and just pick these 3 strings. D chord down here, you're going to bar the 5th fret, and then you're going to put your 3rd and 4th finger down here on the 7th fret on the D and the G string. Then you're going to go up to this F sharp, which is 1 finger on the 2nd fret, your 3rd finger on the 4th, your 4th finger on the 4th, on the D and the A, like that. So you're going to go D, D, F sharp. Then comes the neat part that really stands out in this song. You're going to get down here on the G string with your 3rd finger on the 4th fret, and you're going to go. And all that is you're gonna be on the 3rd fret on the G string with your 3rd finger, and you're gonna wiggle it a couple times and pull it off. And then you're gonna hit the D string on the 4th fret, like this. And then you're going to hit the A string, the A chord. You're going to go. A chord is open A string, the D and the G string on the 2nd fret. You're just going to go. Kind of mute that. Then you hit this G chord here, where you're going to have your 3rd fret, 5, 5. And you're going to slide that back 1 fret. So it's going to go. Okay, so that one more time I'm going to do this. This goes. Then it goes back to this little trick up here on the from the 8th to the 9th fret in the slide. Then there's a bridge part. It goes. And the way to play that is you're going to play this C chord. Simple bar chord. You're going to put your finger on the 3rd fret on the A string. You're going to put your 3rd finger on the D string on the 5th fret and your pinky finger on the 5th fret on the G string. Okay? You're going to slide it up 2 frets. Then you're going to go up here to a D chord, which is the 10th fret in an octave. You're going to do that, and you're going to hammer on and off with your 3rd finger here. You're going to go. So what you do is you have your 1st finger on the A string on the 9th fret, and then you have your pinky on the G string on the 12th fret, and you hit this octave, okay? And I mute this string here, I deaden that with my 1st finger. So all you hear is this. Okay, so you hit that, where you take this 3rd finger and you're gonna hammer off on and off of the 12th fret. Slide it down 1 fret and do it again. until you're back on the 7th fret here. So it goes. So. And the second time you do that, you just end up on this E chord here, which is on the 9th fret. So you just creep up with that same chord. Then it goes back to the So in the end, when it does that, before it fades out, it just goes back to the same rhythm, and after about 3 times, it'll do A, D, F sharp, but instead of doing, it hits this octave thing here on the 2nd fret, where it's your first finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and your 4th finger down here on the G string. It goes back, it slides down 1 fret, it goes. And it ends on an A chord, just like that. So, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments section. Thank you. You have a good day.